Question of the Week from the Naked Scientists.
Hello and welcome to Question of the Week. I'm Greer Jackson, and this week we've been busy scrubbing up for an answer to this question sent in from Nikki Way in Salisbury.
How is self-cleaning glass made?
Keeping our windows free of dirt and grime can be a tiresome job. Putting on your grubbiest gear, carefully climbing up wobbling ladders, all the while trying to balance a bucket and sponge without falling off. But this may be a thing of the past, as something called self-cleaning glass has been developed, which could mean your windows will sparkle all day long. But how does it work? We spoke to Ulrich Steiner, a professor of soft matter physics at the Adolf Merkel Institute in Switzerland, to talk about the two ways in which glass can clean itself.
There are two types of self-cleaning glass. The most common one makes use of titanium dioxide nanoparticles that are put on top of the glass surface. They are roughly 10 to 25 nanometers in diameter.
So to put that into perspective, that's a layer around 1,000 times thinner than a human hair.
The organic dirt that settles on these surfaces is broken down by UV light with the help of these particles. In this way, the sun effectively burns away the dirt, but since UV light is required, this works best outdoors.
So the UV, the light in sunshine, with the help of this layer of nanoparticles, breaks down any pieces of dirt on the window. This could be used for hard-to-access windows, which get a lot of sunshine, like the ones in skyscrapers. Now, what about this other method?
The second effect uses nano surface roughness together with an applied substance that strongly repels water. The resulting surface is superhydrophobic. It nearly repels any substance that it comes into contact with. Any type of dirt is easily removed by simply rinsing the surface with water, for example in a rain shower. This surface is not self-cleaning since it requires water and should therefore rather be termed easy clean surface.
So water-hating surfaces mean easy-to-clean windows, as the water picks up all the pieces of dirt and is repelled by the glass, meaning a simple hose might be all you need to do that dreaded window wash. Thanks, Ulrich, for cleaning that up. Next week, we're finding out the answer to this question sent in from Colin in South Africa.
I'm reading Desmond Morris's new book called War, What Is It Good For? He says that 10 billion lives were lived in the 20th century. Well, I want to know, how many people have ever lived since Homo sapiens evolved? And secondly, how would one calculate this number?
If you have an idea, do get in touch. You can post on the Naked Scientists Facebook page, tweet @Naked Scientists, email chris@thenakedscientists.com, or join in the debate on our forum, which is thenakedscientists.com/forum.
Question of the Week is part of the Naked Scientists podcast and supported by the Wellcome Trust and UK Fast. Look us up online at nakedscientists.com.